In April 18, 2018 we had a first ritual monster called Cyber's Magician in episode 47. In July 18th we had a first fusion monster called Cyber's Clock Dragon in episode 54. In October 18th we had a first synchro monster called Borrelord Savage Dragon. In January 19th we had a first Ziz monster called Firewall Ziz Dragon. And Rising Rampage pack will release in April 13, 2019, and we didn't get Pendulum monster, instead we got Ziz monster, so the pattern is broken or not. Continue. Before I can give my opinion if Pendulum will come to VRAINS, I will talk about what is Ziz monster ability is. This Ziz summoned card cannot be targeted by the effects of other monsters. Once per turn. You can detach one Ziz material from this card, then target one face-up monster on the field. That monster loses 680k and def. Also, special summon one Borrel monster from your Jai, but the monster special summoned by this effect is banished during the end phase. After activating this effect, for the rest of this turn, you cannot special summon monsters or attack directly. Tell me if this monster good or not. As for Pendulum, it doesn't mean we will not see Pendulum. There are 3 or 4 packs this year and probably we will see Pendulum in VRAINS, but if there is no Pendulum in VRAINS in anime side and TCG side, anime side Arc V is own timeline means alternate timeline, and for VRAINS is converge to 5DS and Zixel or sequel to Zixel. As for trading card game, I feel Link Monster and Pendulum won't work, means you can't play Link and Pendulum together. To put it in simplify, if 7th show has new summoning method with changing board, it means we can't see Pendulum and Link in Season 3. I want them to explain how they get other old summoning method in Season 2 but not Pendulum. And want to see a time traveler like Invaders bring Pendulum in VRAINS, or Sol Technology got Pendulum in Databank where all cards are stored in. I have a question. Is it true that Yusaku get old summoning methods from Storm Access? Because every time Yusaku get old method he go to Storm Access and Neo Storm Access. In Season 2 when Yusaku do Storm Access or Neo Storm Access he always gets old method.